All right, guys, so we have 3 sets of tires here that we're going with. We have the original tire on the Demon, which is going to be a 315 45 18. The next step up is going to be this Mickey Thompson tire. The original tire on the Demon is a Nitto. The next step up is going to be this Mickey Thompson tire, which is the ET Street. It's going to be a P305 45 18. This tire is actually 29 inches in height. This tire is 28 inches in height. And then from there, I borrowed one of my buddy's tires, which is a Hoosier, which is a 325 45 18. This tire is 30 inches and a quarter in height. So hopefully by using one of these combinations, I'm going to be able to get this car to hook up. I already know what it's like to run with the Nittos, and I skipped all the way down the track in Houston. The track was prepped very well. I'm pretty sure it's Marshall coming out of the track, but I really don't want to take a chance on it. I really want to go with something that I know that hooks up very well. I know the Mickey Thompson tires. I tend to like those better. So I want to put this Mickey Thompson on there, and I want to see how this Mickey Thompson does. This Mickey Thompson is 29 inches height. Maybe it's going to give me a little bit more crumple in the sidewall, which is going to allow me to bear down on it a little more using the Transbrake or either foot braking launch control. From there, I want to put this Hoosier on here and let this Hoosier is going to be 30 inches and a quarter. This tire is definitely going to give me more sidewall. I know a lot of people are saying, hey, look, you're going to change your gear ratio by going up, but what I'm hoping is that it's going to allow me to come out of the hole, and I'll pick that up on the top end of the track because we're running on a quarter-mile track now. But we'll see how that goes. And if these tires don't work, guys, then my next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a 17 by 11 inch rim by Weld and put a tire on it. That way I can go with a Mickey Thompson slick that I know would work, or either a Hoosier slick that I know would work. I really want to see what this car can do once you hook it up on the track and get it going. I don't like racing on the streets, so I like putting my time in on the drag strip, and if I'm going to be on the drag strip, I want something that's going to hook, because that's what the drag strip is set up for. So these are the 3 tires that I'm going to go with, guys. I hope you guys will stay tuned to see how that goes. In the meanwhile, I'll still be practicing my launch procedures, line locking, using my Transbrake, and using launch control. What I found when I got to the track, even though I practiced it before, I found that I wish I had more time in using those procedures. But there we go, 28 inches tall, 29 inches tall, 30 inches and a quarter. We'll see what it's going to do. All right, guys, I'm here at Summit Racing. One good thing about being in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex is we have a Summit Racing warehouse right here. So I'm here to pick up a set of tires. And the tires I'm going to pick up are a set of Hoosiers. I measured them out. They're 325, 45, 18s, I believe what they are. So I'm going to pick them up here in just a little bit, but as you can see, anything you need for racing, drag racing, Summit has it right here. And they generally have it in stock. So I already called it in. So all I got to do is just come and pick up the order. How you doing? I'm here to pick up an order. I left the order number, but maybe you can pull my name up. All right, guys, I'm here to pick up my set of tires, and I'm speaking with
Cassie
and
Annie.
Thank you so much, ladies. I really like coming out here to Summit. You guys always take care of me whenever I come by.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you, ladies. Yeah.
You're all good to go.
Thank you. Yes, right here.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Take care, ladies. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so after you pay for your parts here at Summit, then you come down here, this the cashier section. After you pay for your parts, then you come down here to pan up, customer service.
And in customer service, you just come and sit and wait. And they'll call you when your part is available for you. So.
Cooking soul, babe.
Okay guys, so I'm going to sit down right here and have a seat and wait for my parts to come out. Looks like my tires have come out, so let's take a look at them, make sure that these are the right tires. So we got the tires, and now we're heading out to load them up. Next stop will be Discount Tire to get them mounted up. Box this other one here. All right guys, this is what we got. I picked up a set of tires to put on the Demon, see if I can get it to hook up on the track coming up Saturday. One tire is a Mickey Thompson ET Street R P325 45 R18. That tire is actually 29 inches in height compared to the tire on the Demon, which is 28 inches in height. The next tire, guys, that I picked up that I want to try on the car as well is a set of Hoosiers. The Hoosiers is a P325 45 R18. That tire is actually 30 inches and a quarter in height. I did my measurements, and looks like the Hoosiers will fit on there. The thing that I'm thinking is that with the Hoosiers, it's going to give me a little bit more sidewall, a little bit more crimple in the tire. And maybe I'll get to use the Transbrake and be able to launch the vehicle. But that's what I'm hoping to do. I know with my Nittos, I couldn't use the Transbrake at all. I had to foot brake it. And the car was just going up in smoke, and it was chirping down the track. When I was foot braking it, I just couldn't get the car to hook up with the Nittos. They even put some sticky stuff down on the track for me. And prepped the track very well at the Yellow Belly drag strip. I was impressed on the prep they did. I actually ran my best time there, but I'm going to see if I can get one of these tires to hook up for me. So I'm going to go to Discount Tire and have them mount this Hoosier on her first. And we'll see how that's going to fit. All right, guys, here I am at Discount Tire. I'm going to go in and see if they'll mount these drag radios on the car for me. I really like using Discount Tire when it comes to taking care of my vehicle. They do real good work. They very good customer service. Okay guys, I made it back home. Now let me get the other set of tires and run those back. And look what we got here, guys. Here's the ET Street R's, 305, 45, 18. Let's load these up and we'll get these mounted on the front. All right, guys, the Hoosier tires definitely fit within the wheel well. Next step is to get them on the track and see if we can get them to hook up.